Number 4. Hubert Minnis was born in Bain Town, New Providence. After obtaining his Doctor of Medicine degree from the University of the West Indies, he returned home and began working as a physician at the Princess Margaret Hospital. Minnis was president of the Medical Association of the Bahamas, member of the Medical Council, chairman of the Hotel Corporation of the Bahamas, and an associate lecturer at the University of West Indies in obstetrics and gynecology. Minnis was first elected to Parliament in May 2007 and was appointed to the Cabinet as Minister of Health. Number 3. Christie is believed to have been the youngest Bahamian ever appointed to the Senate. Named as a senator by Prime Minister Lynden Pindling in November 1974, he is the longest-serving Bahamian elected parliamentarian, representing the Centerville constituency from 1977 to 2017. A dynamic minister, Christie moved tourism in the Bahamas to new heights. Number 2. Hubert Ingraham studied law in Nassau, called to the Bahamas bar in December 1972 and eventually became senior partner in the law firm of Christie, Ingraham and Company. He entered frontline politics in 1975, when he was elected to the National General Council of the then-ruling Progressive Liberal Party. In the general election of August 19, 1992, Ingraham led the Free National Movement to a stunning 32-17 victory over the Progressive Liberal Party, and thus ended the 25-year hold on power of Prime Minister Lynden Pindling. Number 1. Sir Lynden Pindling's parents wanted the best possible education available to him that they could afford. Pindling went on to study at King's College, University of London, from which he received a law degree. By the end of 1953, Pindling had joined the newly formed Progressive Liberal Party as its legal advisor. He was the leader of the Progressive Liberal Party from 1956 to 1997, when he resigned from public life.